Hello guys, today we'll be going over a little bit more about mania or manic. Um, the reason why is because I don't fully understand it myself yet. That could have a lot to do with just not really open to it, because I'm open to it, but not being surrounded by it, I guess, if that makes sense. So like, they never really taught us what this stuff meant in school, or my family never really talked about it. And in fact, my family was the type to ignore mental illness until they found out I was schizoaffective. My dad still ignores it, but my mom not so much. um, my dad doesn't believe mental illness is a thing, which makes it really hard on me because he's supposed to be there to help me and support me if I need support, but he's not. um, Trying to think. Um, so basically, for me, this is what mania or manic does to me. Um, it makes me very excitable. Well, this is hypermania, I believe. I learned about this term the other day, so correct me if I am wrong, please. But it made me excitable and really happy and just really energetic. I was walking 10, 15 miles a day and I felt elevated, I guess. Like I had an elevation and motivation and energy and happiness. I was pretty happy throughout the times I believe I was hypomania or hypermanic or hypomanic or whatever. Um, and then you got your regular manic, which to me, if I'm correct, it makes me feel really sad and depressed, and my moods can change really rapidly. So I could be happy 1 second and sad the next second, and then happy again the next. So manic is definitely not fun for me, anyways. Um, a lot of it, I start thinking things I probably shouldn't think, and not like suicidal things by all means, just worryable things, or um, things that aren't logical. I can't really think of how to explain that. I don't have any examples because I'm not thinking that right now, and I don't know. I guess I am kind of thinking it. Like, I'm worried that people aren't going to believe me, and they're going to be like, you're lying, and stuff like that. Which I'm not. This is stuff I'm not familiar with, if that makes sense. And I don't know what to ask my doctor when I go to see her, because they give me the definition of what it is, not an actual, like, this is how it affects you, and this is some of the things it can do type thing. You know what I mean? They're just like, hypomania is an elevated mood, I think is what the definition is, or something like that. And manic is probably something along the lines of mood swings or something like that. And that's about all they really tell me. I mean, I could ask questions and ask, like, so I was this, and this the other day. was I manic or hypomanic? And they'd probably be like, yeah, you were. That's what it is. But I have so many other questions to ask that I forget to ask about it. And on the other side of things, I don't know. I don't get around to asking it to my doctor. So if somebody could let me know in the comments below if what I described as being hypomanic and manic, if that's what it is, that would be great. You know, I'm starting to lose my train of thought now, so I don't know what that is. Maybe that's part of being manic too, because there are days where I remember things very well. Like, I can remember things very well, you know, and then there are days where I can't remember anything at all. I lose my train of thought really quickly. I can think of something to say to like my boss or something, so I'll go up to ask her, and by the time I get up to her, I forget exactly what I wanted to say, so I have to kind of like, I partially remember what to say, but I don't know how to word it. So I have to figure out how to word it on the spot, you know? And I'm not good with that at all. I'm not good with just coming up with a question on the spot, you know? I have to think about it and all of that. Anyways, if I remember, the next video will probably be about dissociation. I'd do it now, but it's kind of cold. I might do it later, depending on how I'm feeling. I've been tired today, but that's just because I had like 5 or 6 hours of sleep, so I'm gonna be tired, especially with being on Prozac, which basically puts you to sleep. So double-edged sword there. I also feel like I've been talking slower so far in these videos, because I made 2 so far today. I made my Why Golden Routes one and this one, and I feel like I'm calm, very relaxed, talking slower than usual, because I usually talk pretty fast. That's probably hypomania though. I could be wrong. Maybe it's just manic in general, both hypo and regular. If it is, please let me know, because I'm always talking really fast, guys, you know. I'm always talking really fast, so if that's any form of being manic, then I need to figure out what to do about it, because I don't like talking as fast as I do. Because sometimes I stumble over my words and people can't understand me, and I don't know, it's just difficult sometimes. Anyways, that's all for now, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.